Today, I never ever thought we will celebrate their 40th birthday. There were so many ups and downs, many times downs. I remember that more than the ups. But this last year has been something so incredible, and all of you contributed to it, especially Mark and Andrew and Madrins, and we just made such a lovely movie and inspiring everybody who are normal and healthy. They are really appreciate their lives more. So good luck with the movie. When movie gets public, then everybody sees it. You will hear more about what an inspirational movie it is. And I am so thrilled that my girls' life came this far, this beautifully, and of course their background, their wonderful mom who are supporting them. But I appreciate every one of you to be here and celebrating this great day with us all. Thank you.